Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about Node modules. So what is a module in Node.js? So you can see here is the definition of module. It consider module, okay? We consider module to be the same as JavaScript library. It's a library. It has the built-in library and you can create your own library also, and then you can call it to use any class, any file. Okay, so you can see here we can describe it like function. Okay, in, include in your application. Like for example, we declare one variable HTTP equal requires HTTP. So we use require here to call the modules. So HTTP here is the built-in module. You can find more built-in Node module in this website, and then you can use it. You can see the definition and how to use it. And we also use the keyword export. Okay, in case you use your own module, you are not using the built-in module. So we use export keyword to make your property like method available outside. I mean that the other file can call. The other file can call and use the function and property in your module. So the next, this is the example how to create your own module. Okay, so like for example, we create one module here. So we use the keyword export, and here the name of the properties, equal function, and return that. Okay, so we create another file here. So and then we write some code like we declare one's HTTP variable, and we use the built-in module, and we declare one variable and use our own module in here. So this is the source code for running the example. Like we use HTTP and create the servers. Okay, so and then we write, mean that we show the message dt is the built-in modules, and then we call the function inside it. Okay, so now let's go to practice together. Now we create one folder project in my path here. So the folder is Node Basics. I use the Visual Studio Code for develop the projects, and then I open that folder. We're looking on drive D and go to lesson notes Node Basics. And now we create one JS file. So the file name is my nodes.js, and then I write the keyword exports, the function, or we can say the property names, my data types equal functions, then we return that. Save it, and we create one more file called my calling. Okay, sorry, we can name like this, calling module.js, and then we write some source code in here. We declare one variable http equals requires https, and then we declare one other variables we call my module fast. http create servers function, right? Then rest.rise headers. Okay, contains type text HTML. Then rest.rise the dates time are currently we use dt dot function names my data types. Then rest.ends. We listen to ports 8080s, save it, and then run the commands, notes, file names, calling module.js. Enter it. We go to the browsers and run local port 80 and 80. Yes, you can see here. Thank you for watching.